Hello internet friends, I'm super excited about this video because this is the last elevator video. That's right, as soon as I put this trim tab onto this left elevator, we're gonna go on to the fuselage. We're already 10 videos behind the fuselage, I know. I keep saying my goal is to get to real time, and then I keep working on the plane and keep making more videos. So 10 videos from now, actually I take that back. I think I've already published 3 of the fuselage videos, which is basically the inventory. So if I publish one a week, then or one a day this week, then maybe we'll get caught up. We'll see. Again, also I should plug the Slack group before I get to the end of the video. If you want to chat with a group of Vans builders or are interested in building a Vans aircraft, come join us at the Vans RV Slack group. I'll put the link in the description. You can just click on it and join us. Okay, so to attach the trim tab here, you see you put the piano hinge and line it up, and then you got to put the piano hinge pin into all the holes, and then Vans tells you to bend it, and they give you some lengths to bend it to in order to basically make another pin that you can secure through a hole that you drill in the tip rib of the elevator there, and then you just safety wire it. And it seems like, to me at least, just being an uneducated amateur airplane builder, just a little bit concerning that the only thing holding this in is the friction of the piano hinge and the little piece of safety wire. Now, not that I can't imagine how there would be enough like lateral force on that thing to rip it out of the safety wire, but I was reading on Vans, and Vans also uses these piano hinge as a cowl solution, right? And you put the pin in, and it basically joins the two halves of your cowling together. And so I saw a solution on there where someone fabricated a little bracket that you can clip the hinge pin into, and that seems a better solution than the safety wire. So I don't know. I might think about fabricating a little bracket there that the hinge pin can go into, and still safety wire it to the thing, but having a piece of aluminum there might be better than just like a 16th or I don't know, that might be too thick, but you get where I'm going. Having a bracket to hold the hinge pin in place versus just a little piece of safety wire makes me feel a little better. But I don't. We can get to that later. Like I don't need a solution for that for at least a year and a half till I bolt this thing onto a completed fuselage. And here you go. You see me drilling the little tiny hole that you're gonna safety wire that pin into. And I know I'm gonna have a mechanic inspect this and look at my safety wire and be like, "What did you do?" And be like, "Yep, I need a safety wire class because the only thing that I have consistently safety wired is the oil filter on my Mooney that I had, and that I just looked at how it was safety wired before, took it off, put it on a new one obviously during an oil change, and then safety wired it, and then compared the two pictures and said, yep, looks like I did it right. So I don't know, maybe I need to go find a RV-14. I probably have a few pictures of them. I don't know that I took actually, you know what, there's a rib, I think, that goes on there. I'll have to read the plans, or I'll have to go find a picture that I took at Osh, but I doubt I took a picture of that piece. So maybe I'll find another RV-14 and take a picture. So yesterday I did get my order from Aircraft Spruce, so I got my reamers and countersink bit, and what else did I get? Some stuff that I ordered from Aircraft Spruce that basically gives me everything that I needed to complete the fuselage, so I took Peter back his reamers. Thanks, Peter. And I still need one more thing that I found out. So in order to rivet on the ribs on one of the the fuselage bulkheads, you need a double offset rivet set. Because there's not enough room to stick the rivet gun in there. You'll see in a few videos like what I'm talking about. So yeah, then I guess my question is, do I order it or do I go pick it up? So I might have to go travel for a meeting this week, which would take me right by Spruce, and it would save me $8, which doesn't sound like it's worth driving all the way to Spruce to pick that up. So we'll see if I drive or if I fly. Driving eats a whole day though. Like if I gotta drive from my house to a meeting, then I gotta go there and stay there and drive back in the morning. Like it's flying would be much. I need this plane to be together, so I have a solution to be like, yeah, I could be at a meeting and then just fly there and then do the meeting and then fly home. But until then, I guess Southwest is my friend. Okay, so we've got this trim servo cover on and everything's ready, and we just need to test it out. And the way we test it out is actually we hook a 9-volt battery to the servo wires, and I think it's the white and black wire, and it will move that. And then if you reverse them, it moves it back. So I think I already posted a video of that. In the next video, we're working on the fuselage. So exciting. See you then.